Thank you for visiting Samurai Cooking Channel. I'm not a professional cook, but as a Japanese dad, I cook every day. So I will introduce the dishes that are eaten at home in Japan. Thank you. Today I would like to introduce you to Japanese-style potato salad. In Japan, the materials you put in are completely different depending on the household. The ingredients are 4 potatoes, 1/2 carrot, 1 cucumber, 100 grams bacon, 2 eggs, 200 grams mayonnaise, a sprinkling of salt and pepper, a splash of vinegar or lemon juice, a sprinkling of black pepper. First, peel the potatoes and remove the sprouts. Boil the potatoes in plenty of hot water for about 15 minutes. When the chopsticks pass lightly, give them to a colander and drain them. Peel the carrots and cut into quarter rounds. Heat the carrots in the microwave at 600 W for about 1 minute. Cut the cucumber in half vertically and slice it into thin slices. Sprinkle salt to drain the cucumber. This is done so that the potato salad does not become watery. After leaving it for about 10 minutes, squeeze the cucumber strongly by hand to remove the water. Slice the bacon and fry in a frying pan. Fry the bacon until crispy and extract the oil. This oil makes potato salad delicious, so don't throw it away. Move the bacon to a bowl and prepare the melted eggs. Make roasted eggs in the same frying pan. Transfer the prepared materials to one ball. Roughly crush the potatoes. If you crush it too much, the texture of the potatoes will be lost. So crush it so that the size of about 1 centimeter remains. Add about 200 grams of mayonnaise. Please adjust the amount of mayonnaise as you like. Add salt and pepper in the desired amount. Add about 1 teaspoon of vinegar. After adjusting the taste, add the desired amount of black pepper at the end. The Japanese-style potato salad is completed.